Next, a 12 centimeter rod is held between a flashlight and a wall as shown. This is a flashlight, this is a wall, this is this rod. Okay, find the length of the shadow on the wall. If the rod is 45 centimeters from the wall, this distance is 45, and 15 centimeters from the light. Quite easy, similarity of triangles. See this. ADE similar to ABC, right? These two triangles are similar. Therefore, AO upon AP is equal to DE upon BC. AO upon AP equals to DE upon BC. So now we have to find BC. BC equals to what? AP upon AO into DE. 60 upon 15 into 12, that is 48. So that's the answer. Now if you want how are these two triangles similar, then they are similar by AA test. See this. These two triangles have one A common, and these two lights are equal length. So these base angles would be again common, right? Similarly, base angles would be common over here also. So they will be by AA test. Next.